Every 11 seconds, a business falls victim to a ransomware attack. Over 50% of UK businesses were hit by cyber incidents last year, and more than half didn't even realise until months later. Attacks are getting more advanced. Phishing scams, malware and security flaws that hackers exploit before you even know they exist. Firewalls and antivirus software help, but they're on their own not enough. So many breaches start with human error. Clicking the wrong link, using weak passwords, or missing the warning signs. And if you don't have a solid disaster recovery plan, one attack could bring everything to a halt. The question is, are you ready? What? How do you know that? What? How do you know that? That was great!
You guys gotta be serious.
What? Spin it everywhere, the camera?